This is delicious. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so on today's episode, we are going to do another version of shrimp. So if you guys haven't noticed, I love shrimp with the head on, okay? I love shrimp with the head on. What can we do? What can we say about that? I mean, just look at how cool they are. They look cool. And we are using tiger shrimp today. All right, so we're going to set those aside, and what we're going to do to get our recipe started. All right, so for this recipe, we're going to use some cherry tomatoes. So we're making shrimp and grits. Okay, and more of an elevated style shrimp and grits. It's going to be very, very, very tasty, very delicious. We want to first cut these tomatoes in half. Alrighty. We're going to chop our garlic. It's our fresh garlic. I'm going to add that here. We're going to chop our parsley. The parsley is going into this dish. I'm going to add that to a separate bowl because this is not going to go in right when we saute. Okay. Then we're going to add our shallots. All right, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna take our ingredients over to the stove and we're gonna get started. We don't want to over season the grits because the other ingredients that we're going to add to this is going to kind of overpower the grits, so you really won't even taste whether or not it is salt. Add chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock, you can use water, whatever floats your boat. We're gonna work on our shrimp. These grits are almost done. They're nice and creamy, just like I want them to be. I'm gonna add a little bit more heavy cream. I'm gonna add olive oil. like it's hot. We're gonna wait on this to get hot. Our pan should be. Oh, that sounds so good. Man, that sounds so good. And I honestly don't think I want to waste this on grits, but this is the recipe I chose. And this is what we're going to cook. And this smells divine. Fresh gorgonzola. We're gonna add some cheese. We need to add good cheese to it. This is delicious.